AP is an acronym for Advanced Placement. The Advanced Placement program allows high school students to take college-level courses and earn college credit. Every aspect of the AP course and exam development is the result of collaboration between AP teachers and college faculty. There are 2 computer science offerings. The AP Computer Science A course and exam continues to focus on computing skills related to programming in Java. The new AP Computer Science Principles complements AP Computer Science A. The AP Computer Science Principles course is designed to be equivalent to a first semester introductory college computing course. Students will develop computational thinking skills vital for success across all disciplines, such as using computational tools to analyze and study data and working with large data sets to analyze, visualize, and draw conclusions from trends. The College Board has collaborated with several independent organizations to offer Advanced Placement Computer Science Principles curricula.
In my experience, the AP Computer Science Principles course was definitely one of the most beneficial courses I took in high school. The course taught me a lot of really valuable problem-solving skills that I don't think I've gotten from any other class, including math. I came into the subject with a good amount of computer science experience, especially practical programming experience with languages like C# and Python. But what I really liked about the class is that it made me think about more abstract concepts rather than the really practical applications of something like software engineering. So we learned about the concept of abstraction. We covered things like binary and numbering systems. We talked about internet security and cryptocurrency a little bit. We used things like Raspberry Pis and Arduinos, and it was this perfect blend of theoretical computer science in addition to hands-on practical projects that really enforced what I was learning in the classroom. Another skill I definitely learned in the class was how to write technically according to a rubric. So the College Board gives us a rubric for both our Explore and our Create tasks that are very detailed and very to the point. It really explains what you have to do to score credit on the AP exam. And the first time I ever wrote any of my tasks, that was the Explore task. I had never written something according to rubric this formally and this technically.
This is one of the first AP exams that ask kids to write in a very technical sort of way, without all of the fluff, without all of the analytics, and it really is factual to explain either a computing innovation that already exists or something that they did in their process. The whole point was to get a lot of African American, Latino kids and women into computer science. But a lot of people think that computer science is just coding, and it's not. There's an actual science and a methodology that professional coders use in order to make things less taxing on computers and cell phones and other devices. And there's so many different languages. It's just, the best way to get kids into computer programming is through block-based programming, because then they get to understand the concept of programming itself, and then they can move forward toward text-based. The biggest thing that I learned is flexibility. I have to change the way that I teach for the population that I have that given year. Some kids, they need to do things over and over and over again in order to learn or to gain capacity. And then there's other kids that can pick it up very quickly, other clusters of kids that can pick it up very quickly. Some have technical issues, others don't. So there's a lot of strengths and weaknesses with any group of kids. It's flexibility. And the languages and the way that we integrate them change on a daily basis. You have to keep your pulse on what the workforce is doing.
I'm confident that with my new problem solving and computer science skills, I can go into any computer science field in the future and succeed in my job and really excel at what I do.